Eschenbach's RidoMED Galilean system. Precision close vision solutions. For over 30 years, Eschenbach has been a leader in manufacturing close vision enhancement glasses. Our products come highly recommended by professionals across various fields, including dentists, medical surgeons, hair transplant surgeons, and individuals with vision loss due to retinal diseases. Our RidoMED Galilean system for close vision is exceptional. These small, lightweight optical systems deliver a bright and magnified image. Available in magnifications of 2.5x, 3x, and 4x. Our loupes offer a wide range of options to suit your specific needs. LowVisionMiami.com. Thanks for joining us on this journey to clearer, brighter vision. If you're ready to explore more optical solutions and enhance your visual quality, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next updates. See you in the next Low Vision Miami video.